Dimples 285 here. Welcome back with a high puff messy bun tutorial. So this morning I knew my hair was a mess because I went to sleep without my bonnet on. Not even going to worry about it. This hairstyle is going to be perfect for those days where your hair is just all over the place, but you still need to pull it together because you have to go to work and be a professional. So the first thing I start off by doing is wetting my hair, and I am just using a good old regular water bottle. So after you've saturated your hair with the water, you want to go ahead and take a smoothing brush. This smoothing brush really helps to just kind of lay down the curls. So you've already wet them. Now this is you telling them where you want them to go and how you want them to look. So I brush my hair towards a ponytail all around my edges. Now it is important that you use a smoothing brush with like soft bristles because you don't want to rip out your edges. So if you use a rough brush, then that can be very harsh on your edges. So again, use a soft bristle brush just to smooth. Now if you have kinkier, coarser hair like me, then towards the back of your hair, you're going to go in with a Denman brush, which kind of acts to eliminate those frizzies, again smooth out those kinks. But for now, let's just smooth the hair out. So smooth it out, and you're going to brush all around, and you're smoothing it and brushing it into a ponytail. Pull your hair through, and now in the back only, I take a Denman style brush because it more so acts to kind of comb out the kinkier parts of my hair, which again gives me that sleek look. So I want it to look effortless, but at the same time, I'm going to work, and so I do need it to be together. And I only use that brush on the back of my hair and my kinkier curls. Wrap your hair through with the scrunchie. Make sure it is secure. Again, go ahead and pull those pieces through where you feel like maybe you're missing it, or the crown of your head might need to be pulled through a little bit. I know mine does. Go through with the water bottle if you feel like some pieces are looking dry, and just kind of situate it the way you like. Now, as you can see, the edges of my bun are a little bit longer than the rest of my hair, which I don't like. So I take a bobby pin and I just kind of pin my curls up to kind of hide the fact that certain pieces of my hair are a little bit longer than the rest of my hair. So if you have this problem, then don't worry about it, sis. Just get you a few bobby pins and then just situate the hair where you feel like it looks most natural, and then there you have it. You have your high puff messy bun, and you can go straight out the door just like that. Now, I'm a little bit of a perfectionist and a lover of edges, so it is essential for me to always lay an edge. So that's what I'm about to do now. I mean, you could be done, that's about 3 minutes, and you're out the door. But for me, I need to lay an edge, so I just took some jam, and I'm taking my baby hair toothbrush, which is just a toothbrush that I just use for edges, and I'm gonna go ahead and smooth out my edges and lay my baby hairs down just to make it, again, I want it to look effortless, but I also want it to look like I tried. So somewhere between I tried and somewhere between effortless. All right, now I'm also gonna smooth out my kitchen a little bit. So the back of my hair tends to be a little bit shorter than the rest of my hair, which I think that is true for most people. I don't feel like that's something abnormal. So what I do is I'll take a bobby pin and I'll brush those pieces up, and I will hide that bobby pin. So I'm putting the bobby pin in, and I'm gonna hide it up under my curly hair. So again, just a way to pull it together so it looks effortless, even though you did put in a little bit of effort. And I'm just going over, making sure I like my edges, making sure I like the look, and that is pretty much it. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you are new here, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. For those of you who are returning, thank you. And this is our look. So I hope you all enjoy it. Have a good one. Bye.